CUSIMAX Hot Plate Electric Burner Single Burner Cast Iron Heating Plate Portable Burner 1500W with adjustable temperature controlled stainless steel non-slip rubber feet black easy to clean. Multi-purpose and portable, CUSIMAX Hot Plate is ideal for office use, camping, parties, boats, RVs, student accommodation, traveling or as an extra cooking utensil in your kitchen. Because of its small and light size, you can easily to use in confined spaces or anywhere. 1500W, an easy-to-control, CUSIMAX Hot Plate used 7 thermostatically controlled heat settings conveniently to cook a variety of foods such as warm sauces, scrambled eggs, grilled cheese, soup, pasta, vegetables and so much more. Also you can use it as extra burner to keep food warm. All types of cookware and safe, CUSIMAX Hot Plate is equipped with a powerful 7.4 inches heating plate, compatible with pots and pans with maximum size of 7.1 inches. CUSIMAX Hot Plate can be used with any type of cookware in your homes, such as aluminum pans, copper pans, cast iron frying pans, and non-magnetic stainless steel pans can heat cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. Also, compared to induction cookers, Hot Plate is safe to use and doesn't emit harmful radiation. Safe and easy to clean black stainless steel body built to withstand frequent use. Simply wipe with a clean cloth when cool. The non-slip feet ensure that the unit stays firmly in place. Overheat protection and stylish indicator light for safe use. Automatic safety shutoff functions with temperature regulated by a thermostat to avoid damage or injury. Warranty CUSIMAX offer an outstanding 30-day hassle-free return policy and 18-month warranty. We assure you that no other countertop burner beats our product's high-caliber quality and efficiency. All CUSIMAX products are covered by product liability insurance of the United States. For details, please refer to the instruction manual. Note: click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.